Today I'll be installing this LCD AC touchscreen panel on the BMW X6m, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave your comments in the section below, and don't forget to share this video. Now, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, I will be installing this LCD AC touchscreen panel on the BMW X6m. I will be swapping it out for this touch button style. Yeah, and also I will not have no CD panel. I don't mind it because I really don't use CD, so that's either there, here or there. So yeah, getting rid of this it won't matter to me. But having this AC touchscreen panel, hopefully it works, but I'm not going to get rid of this. I'm still going to keep this just in case if this goes bad, I just go back to this. I pick up this unit from Alibaba again. I paid 200 and something dollars plus, I think like $50 shipping to send it here to the United States. It came quick. I will be leaving the information in the description box below where you can pick up this unit if you want to use it on your X5 or your X6. Okay, so let's get into the installation. Hey guys, so welcome back. So to begin the installation, we're going to go ahead and remove this trim panel. I'm not sure if you have to remove this. I did see somebody move this online, and I saw another person didn't have to remove this panel. So I'm going to go ahead and use the pry tool and remove this panel right here. As you can see, it's already been removed. So we're going to go ahead and take this panel down. Okay, like this. Okay, all right, good. So now we're going to use the X and remove these two screws. This one, and we're going to remove this one. Alright guys, so after removing the T20 torque screw, we're going to use a pry tool. We're going to place it behind the panel and pry it out. It was a hassle to get out because it's so tight, because mine's haven't been removed, so it was really tight, so you have to put some strength in it, but be careful because this flexes and you don't want to break it. Alright, so just take your time and just pull. It will come out, as you guys can see. Okay, so now the next step, I just flip this on the other side. So to remove these connectors, you're going to press this middle piece down and it flips backwards. So press this down and it flips backward. So now the connection should easily come out. So you gotta hear that click so it can release. There you go. So now it's released. So you don't want to mix them up, so you want to try to keep them on this side. Alright, you can't mix them up because blue is to blue and black is to black. Alright, so we're going to place this in the back. Now we're going to get the LCD screen and we're going to do the same thing. So keep this connection to this right here. Guys, so you just make sure you're lining it up properly. You can't install it incorrectly because it's not going to go in. Alright, so this one goes here. There you go. And push it down. And then you clip it forward. Alright, so now it should be good.
No, we have to put on the...
So now we're gonna do is we're gonna test it first just to make sure it works before we do anything. But afterwards, we're gonna take the clips from off the other one and put them here, so we can put it back. All right. So let me turn on the auxiliary. Let's make sure. Oh, okay, there you go. So the AC is blowing. Turn this music down. Ah, there you go. So the alright. Fan speed. Okay. Let me see the heated seat. Okay, heated seat is on. Cool seat. Okay. And this side the heat is on. And the cool is on too as well. Okay. The fan. Oh, this is for the fan. Okay, it's working. This is for the fan on the other side. It's up, down, it's up. This is for the circulation right here. Okay. Cool seat. Okay, nice. And this is for the stations. Okay, good. So it is changing up. As you guys can see, it's changing up top when I select one. So it is changing. So that's good. Alright, so everything works. AC panel, the button on, off, okay. Sync is working. AC max is working. The front heat, the rear heat. Okay. So everything is working properly, so that's good. So basically what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just put everything back in reverse, and that completes the installation. So guys, just make sure, remember, you get the clips from the old unit and put it onto these and just put it back. All right. Hey guys, so welcome back. So I just finished completing the installation for the LCD touchscreen AC display on the X6. The fitment is okay. I mean, this lines up well with right here, but the only problem that I'm having was with the bottom piece. So it goes in, but it leaves a little bulge right here, I guess. So I'm trying to like push it up, but for some reason it's not. It just keep on bulging out because I guess this lock here, so it creates like a belly. You know what I'm saying? So I try my best to try to fix it as best as possible, but I guess, you know, with aftermarket parts, everything is not going to fit up perfect. So that's just the, you know, the risk you take when you install an aftermarket parts. But everything else works good. The LCD display works good. Like I showed you before. Yeah, I love it. I mean, it definitely lifts the cabin. You know, one screen up here, one screen down here. So yeah, it lifts the cabin. I definitely gonna enjoy it. But yeah, I will be leaving the information for the display in the description box below. So if you want to purchase this unit for your X5 or X6, you can reach out to the vendor and he will give you the price, and you know, you take it from there. All right, with that being said, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications, so whenever time I post new videos, you guys can get notified too as well. All right, so thank you guys so much again, and I catch you guys in the next one. Peace.